Hi everyone, Jennifer from Tarle Speech with your heteronym lesson. Heteronyms are words that are pronounced differently with different meanings, but they have the same spelling. We have two words today. We have affiliate, which is a person or organization attached to a larger body, and affiliate, which is the verb meaning to connect with a group. We have a general rule today. That's how we're going to think about this lesson. We are going to think about ending the word in ate for the verb and it for the noun. I think this is somewhat easy since it is a pronoun and ate is a verb. When we do that, I also want you to remember that you are going to stress the ate in the verb. So let's give this rule a try with this word. Let's start with the noun. We have affiliate, affiliate, affiliate. And if you're curious, I am stressing the fill. Affiliate. And then for affiliate, I'm kind of having two stress points there. Fill and ate. Affiliate, affiliate, affiliate. So we have the noun affiliate and the verb affiliate. Affiliate, 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 affiliate. And now for a sentence. Do you affiliate with the affiliate program? Give it a try. I know people will notice a difference. I really appreciate all of you. You are so generous with your likes and your shares. Keep it up and have an amazing weekend. Thank you.